যে যাবই নাকি দিবে কি তারা হ্যাঁ যে সে কত দূর কত ইনিশিয়েটিভ নিয়েছে আমাদের জন্য আজকে এই মিটিংটা আয়োজন করেছে অনেক ইন্টেলেকচুয়ালের কাম করেছে অনেক বুদ্ধিমানের কাম করেছে আমাদেরকে সব একলগ করেছে একগোট করেছে তাই আমি সবাইকে কাতর বিনম্র অনুরোধ করছি আগন্তুক 26 তারিখে আমরা বিজেপি দলে ভোট দিয়ে আমাদের যে কোনো মনের আশা আমাদের কোনো মনোবাসনা আমাদের কোনো মনের ইচ্ছা সব পূরণ হবে বলে আশা রেখে আমি আমার ক্ষুদ্র বক্তব্য আমি এখানে শেষ করছি জয় হিন্দ ভারত মাতা কি জয় বিজেপি জিন্দাবাদ
aprangse phrangke akote asuma phan chorolo nilitum nanga chofa tengpen ke bangpot bini nilitum kalmechore asong longkamaji arohin pen enangke amai ke thapona alam theke lapu henlo kidam tang lang pen kongfer along BJP atum vote kerek amai along inut lo thanbang Mr. Ainul Hok Assistant Professor of Education College Kolongkamaji along di openly pen rapchari along plam along idun ke chokche ko sindi to along di phan pin rem lo athe along lagi nut goreng klembom la pen inut thanbang asai si klembom jongsi along di rapchari asai long klemdun pulote along di aprangsi along di arpu chonangji lasi nilitum kase Kolongkamaji head branch ahin pen along di phan pin rem pollo lasi nilitum kiase Kolongkamaji aji arohin pen ke chuning rilo man ke to deputy commissioner of Karbi Anglong along the phan arona teng pen ing sai vek ko sining thelo jongsi along the phan ing sai pon thek thek protein nilitum karbuchar asong ahin pen ing tangrak pen kajisong dengpon ang kokpo kaudong.
First of all, I would like to thank all the media brothers for coming here at our request. Today, we, the Karbi Students Association, Kolongkamaji Head Branch, held a press conference at our own office regarding the violation of Rule 5, Sub 1 by Mr. Ainul Haq, the Assistant Professor of Robeson College. He was openly participate in politics during the BJP vote campaign rally at Langfer constituency. It is not the duty being the government employee or being assistant professor of Robeson College. If he is interested, then first of all he should resign from his post. In this regard, we, the Karbi Student Association, Kolongkamaji Head Branch, would like to appeal the higher authority to look into this matter and to take strict action. If the higher authority did not take any strict action, then we, the Karbi Student Association, Kolongkamaji Head Branch, will go to another step. Thank you.
Action apor labang so
Bangso pathak lote arona tengpen lake isi ratcharia long ke claim dunji pelotangte goreng awar sai pen aphangsi chi onangji la pen arona teng pelotangte alangli goreng claim bom ahut pelotangte la puson ratcharia along klam along ke dodun chokche pusi nilitum jong ponlo la pen alangli phan ason son jongsi non nilitum jong dunde pudunde pelote kewang jilang apor ahut anut kaple ka phan nilitum ki pudunji aja kongta awidet po lasi alangli phan lapuson alangli inut assistant professor hala bang suar ni ala so mai long sitame inutum gaching hon education em Sir Richard Tok bisitame alangli sitame dolo ase alangli kopia posi hala dak langdunde det ma mate alangli tongke phalo ma lapen alangli sitame arlo pen politics along chirap dundoloma po alangli Mr. Ainul Haq, Assistant Professor alangli Hanstame Arjupon nang kokko lapen laso puthak nilitum DC office law tame complaint pipon back po lapen jong si nilitum complaint ki pia teng pen thang state ta deng pon pe pulotangte kewang jilang ar ni nilitum adak KSA Kolongkamaji Head Branch ahin pen akang tuyang deng ka che song pon tame che song pon nang kokko Vocational College Bokolea alang le halabang so are lialong inut boreng claim bom apora hut halabang so BJP campaign vote campaign amayalong alang le setame isi BJP zindabad labuson ke hang taramdun lake isi chokchipika sailo pase niltum jongdun lo lakan alang li phan setame immediately suspension period nai pase niltum hen pan tuning ridun lo halabang soar ni ala so mailong setame ilutum kaching hon education em sir richard tok bi setame alang li setame dolo ase alang li kopia pose haladak langdun dedet ma mate alang li tong ke phalo ma laben alang li setame arlo pen politics along cherap dun doloma po alang li Mr. Ainul Haq assistant professor alang li phan setame arjupon nang kokpo laben laso puthak niletum DC office long setame complaint ki pon vek po laben jong si niletum complaint ki pia teng pen thang state ta deng pon pe pulo tangte kiwang zilangar ni niletum adak KSA bolong komaji head branch ahin pen akang tuyang deng ka che song pon setame che song pon nang kokpo